Hey everyone, Rich with the Fireplace by Magic Touch. We just finished this installation of this electric fireplace with concrete cladding. I think it looks fabulous. Recently I posted a video of our top 5 most trending wall finishes in 2025 with electric fireplaces and gas fireplaces. One of them that we showcased was lightweight concrete cladding. But when I did it, we didn't have our fireplace installed yet. So we could see the concrete cladding. I did a close-up of it, but we didn't get to see what it looks like with a nice electric fireplace installed. So I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse at it. That fireplace is a virtual electric fireplace. That is the Modern Flames Orion Slim. The only virtual electric fireplace on the market. You could put it in a 6-inch deep wall. You could see how thin that build out is. If you'd like to see this or any of the other wall finishes we offer or any of our fireplaces, we'd love to show you. We'd love to show you our capabilities. We could do a floor to ceiling like this, half walls, mantles, built-ins, you name it, with 20 different fireplaces to choose from in our showroom. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and I'll keep putting out beautiful fireplaces that are available to you and inspire you to have something beautiful in your home too.